We are live.
We have our patient Goldenrod. Goldenrod, you're going to feel something cold. Goldenrod has a thing. How long have you had this thing on your back?
My whole life.
It's a mole, right? We call it a thing just for fun. And has it ever bled or changed recently or anything like that?
No.
Okay, so you want us to remove this for you, correct?
Yes.
And that's what we're going to do. Are you okay if we video your procedure for our friends on YouTube and Facebook?
Yes.
This is going to feel a little bit cold. Are you ready?
Yes.
Cold. What's she going to feel, Gummy Jean?
Stick, sting, gonna burn.
Here it comes. Little stick. Sting. You feeling the sting and a burn? Good. Nice and slow. We'll take it slow. I'll come. Yeah, that was.
The whole mold changed colors.
Yeah. Put a little bit more in for you. There we go. All right. So what we're going to do is what's called a punch biopsy. This is a little tool that we use to do biopsies. And in this case, it's large enough that we can actually do the biopsy and remove the mole at the same time. Pretty cool, huh?
Pretty cool.
All right, so we're going to put that right over the mole and then just twist gently. You feeling anything?
No.
You might feel a little pressure, but you shouldn't feel any pain. If you feel any pain, say, I felt that. Make sure that we have it. Make sure we are deep enough. That should do it right there.
Oh, I didn't open them.
That's okay. I can do it. Got that. So this is a very simple office procedure. It can be done in almost any office. Most offices would do this, right? This is very simple. So we're going to grasp firmly the lesion and we're going to snip it off with these scissors. Slowly.
Look at that.
The mole has been removed.
I didn't feel anything. Good.
That's what we want. We don't want you to feel anything. And so we want to be sure we're completely removed, and I think we are. All right, so we'll put a stitch in real quick, and then we will be done. And we'll send this to the pathologist, and the pathologist will tell us that it is a benign nevus, or nevus, right? Which is a mole. And will not need to have anything else done. Hopefully, but I'm pretty sure it is. We'll tighten that up. We'll take care of that in just a second. Cut the stitch, and then that one right there. You didn't feel any pain?
No, not at all.
Good for you. All right, so we'll take that stitch out in about a week for you, and we'll let you know when we get the pathology reports.
Sounds good.
Goldenrod, you are awesome. Thanks for letting us record your procedure for all our friends.
Bye.
Hey folks, you spoke and we listened. Here's what you had to say about Meta 7.
I love it so much. It gives me so much energy during the day.
I've noticed a change in my hair, my nails, my blood pressure.
There's no doubt that it's a benefit to me. It gives me more stamina.
And it could actually help you lose weight.
Now, I haven't taken a nap in 6 months.
That's right, Meta 7. More and more people are sending in their testimonials. Weight loss, more energy, and generally feeling more alert during the day. Let's hear more.
I used it to help wean myself off caffeine and energy drinks, and my productivity has been very high lately.
It's natural, it's amazing. I feel motivated to get out and do things that I didn't before.
I'm not tired during the day. I've worked 12-hour shifts.
Just go all day. It makes me feel great. I love it, and take it. It's wonderful stuff.
If you haven't tried Meta 7 yet, it's time to order yours from Amazon. Time to boost your metabolism and kick your energy level into high gear. There's an Amazon link in the description.